Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Have you ever felt like the IELTS reading test is just too fast, too tricky, and sometimes even unfair? You start reading, the clock is ticking, and suddenly you realize, wait, did I even understand that paragraph? Well, today we're going to fix that. In this full masterclass, I'll teach you proven strategies to boost both your reading speed and accuracy, so you can confidently tackle any IELTS reading passage, no matter the type or topic. So grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's get started. Why reading feels hard. Let's talk about why IELTS reading feels so challenging. Most students face three main problems. 1. Time pressure. 60 minutes for 40 questions. That's less than 1.5 minutes per question. 2. Tricky vocabulary. Academic texts use complex words or paraphrasing. If you rely only on a dictionary, you might get lost. 3. Question types and traps. True, false, not given. Matching headings. Multiple choice. Each has its own challenges. If you read every word carefully, you run out of time. If you skim too fast, you lose accuracy. Our goal today: read faster, understand better, answer accurately. Sounds good? Let's move on. Strategy 1. Skimming and scanning. The first strategy is skimming and scanning. Skimming. Read the first and last sentences of a paragraph. Glance at the middle sentences. Ask, what's this paragraph about? Scanning. Look for specific information like dates, names, numbers, or keywords. Example. Question. According to the passage, what was the main cause of the 2008 financial crisis? Keywords. Main cause. 2008 financial crisis. Scan for words like banking, economy, financial crisis. Ignore extra details. Focus only on what the question asks. Strategy 2. Keywords and paraphrasing. IELTS loves paraphrasing. The question's words may not match the text exactly. Example. Question. The scientist's conclusion was based on several experiments. Text. The researcher drew his findings from multiple trials. Notice. Scientist, researcher. Conclusion. Findings. Experiments, trials. Tip. Underline keywords in the question and passage. Practice spotting synonyms. This saves huge time in the exam. Strategy 3. Understand question types. There are 7 main IELTS reading question types. Each needs a slightly different approach. 1. Multiple choice. Read carefully. Eliminate obviously wrong answers. 2. True, false, not given. True equals text matches, false equals contradicts, not given, no info. 3. Matching headings. Skim for main idea, not details. 4. Sentence completion. Scan for keywords, read around them. 5. Short answer. Look for numbers, dates, names, respect word limits. 6. Diagram flowchart completion. Understand sequence first. Scan for keywords. 7. Matching information. Scan the text instead of reading line by line. Tip. Don't read like a story. Read like a detective hunting clues. Strategy 4. Time management. Time management is critical. 60 minutes for 40 questions. 1.5 minutes per question. Max 2 minutes on a tricky question. Can't find the answer? Mark and move on. Start with easiest questions first. Build confidence and secure easy marks. Strategy 5. Prediction and context clues. Before reading an answer, predict the type of answer. Person, place, number, date, or opinion. Use context clues when words are unknown. Look at surrounding words or sentences. Find synonyms, examples, or explanations. Avoid guessing blindly. Example. The expedition was arduous and exhausting. Even if you don't know arduous, Exhausting tells you it means difficult or tiring. Practice approach and improvement tips. Step 1. Practice with real IELTS passages. Don't start with random texts. IELTS has its style. Time yourself to simulate exam conditions. Step 2. Active reading. Underline keywords, note paraphrases, summarize paragraphs in one sentence. Step 3. Focus on weaknesses. Are you slow on true, false, not given? Do you struggle with matching headings? Practice your weak points more. Step 4. Build vocabulary. Academic words like analyze, assess. Significant, indicate, learn word families and synonyms. Step 5. Track time and accuracy. Log time per passage. Correct answers, question types. Gradually increase speed and accuracy. Remember, IELTS reading is skill plus speed. Common mistakes and how to fix them. 1. Reading word by word. Skim first, scan later. 2. Ignoring instructions. Always check word limits. 3. Misunderstanding paraphrasing. Double check meaning. 4. Overthinking not given. Use only info in text. 5. Poor time management. Use timers. Learn to move on. Quick tip. Review mistakes carefully. This is where real improvement happens. Conclusion. Let's recap. Skim and scan smartly. Spot keywords and paraphrases. Understand question types. Manage time wisely. Predict answers and use context clues. Practice with real passages. Track mistakes and improve. IELTS reading is a skill you can train, not a test to fear. With these strategies, your speed and accuracy will improve dramatically. Next step, like this video if helpful. Subscribe to Mr. English Guide for more IELTS masterclasses. Share with friends preparing for IELTS.